We're going this way.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, it's like you're going into the sky.
Holy cow.
Oh wow, look at you. Sorry.
How we doing?
Good, thank you.
Oh, look at this, buddy.
I'm not going on that.
Okay.
All right, let's do this.
Look at Bryce. He's being so brave.
Woo, yeah.
He's brave. All right, here it goes.
Here we go.
Woo! Check this thing
It goes pretty fast.
Look here, Caspian. Look at Mama. You love it?
You're fine, Bryce. Just enjoy it, baby.
Look at that breeze.
Feel that
You
breeze?
love that breeze, Bubby?
You ride roller coasters, Bubby.
How many times does this
You
go?
guys see where Daddy is? I don't know. Oh, there's Daddy. We got him.
Oh no.
How you doing on this one, Bryce?
I mean, not as bad as that one.
Was it the speed or because it went around in circles? You gotta stay sitting down, Charles.
Both.
You can turn around and look out, but you gotta stay sitting down, okay?
Kind of both. Oh god.
So Bryce, all these cool rides. There's like what, 5 or 6 rides,
Yeah, I think so.
and they're all included in the price. Yes.
You're joking.
No, I'm not joking. We didn't pay anything separate for these. They
You
were
have
all
to be
included.
joking.
Yes. That's amazing.
So if I die,
Yes.
we won.
We died for cheap. Hey, you don't get that all the time, man.
Yeah.
Take it.
Why is the ride
Oh,
stopping?
because they're gonna leave us up here in the air.
Oh shit.
No, they're not. We're getting off the ride.
Oh,
All right, we'll catch up with you guys soon. Right.
Oh, hi guys. Hi.
Well, he survived. In
I'm
case you guys
dead
were curious.
inside.
He's inside, maybe. But he survived the rides. That's what matters.
Yeah. Technically, my stomach's dead inside, and now it's angry at me.
Oh, look at the ones. Hey, Bryce, look at the ones up top. I didn't see those up there.
Oh, whoa.
I got a picture of it.
This is a parachute wedding dress, Bubby.
A
Says,
parachute wedding?
a World War II parachute went from war to wedding in 1947. On January 13th, 1945, the donor's father was shot down while flying a Martin B-26, I'm going to butcher that, after his rescue. He sent home the parachute to his bride-to-be. Come over here, please. Her grandmother used the parachute to make the wedding dress. That's really cool. Come over here.
Can't.
You can.
Go up. You're about to get hit.
Oh, there you go. So you get him now.
Your legs got hit. So good job.
They're cheering you on, Daddy.
Man, you're terrible at this. Terrible.
I'm knocking down the park.
It's terrible. You didn't even get the
I
level.
knocked it out of the park. You see me up there? Get ready. You gotta be super strong. You get all the asteroids, you gotta kill them all. Like Daddy did. Alright, get ready. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. There's the Earth. Get ready. Baby.
Oh, get it, Bubby, get it. Here it comes. Hit it.
Get it, nice.
Okay, let's see you do them. Crank them up. I think you got to crank it and then push your button. You guys go push the button?
Game over.
Whoa. Caspian's bottle went out his car. Okay, I think you're right, Bryce. I think we got to do it the other way or it's not going to work.
That was a bullet.
Okay, go get him real quick, Bryce. Okay, take 2. Try it again, Caspian. Maybe not do it as much this time, Bryce.
What's the worst that can happen?
It could explode again.
Oh, wow.
All right, go for it.
Hey, don't have that.
Hold on, you can push the button, Caspian.
You ready to push the button? Not yet, not yet. Over there. I'll tell you when. Don't do it yet. Push the button, push the button.
So I really love this. In a lot of the areas where there's like lots of reading, all on the sides they have stuff for the little ones to play with. So that way they can stay busy while you're getting in all the information, which I thought was really, really neat. There's a drawer they can pull there. There's some over here.
There's
Where'd he go? All right, Bryce. So, how was the simulator? We'll show the simulators. Those were, what do you think? I'm trying to get your facial expression, but you're going away. He didn't like that we go upside down and stuff. And
We almost died.
we also found out that Bryce doesn't know how to fly a plane.
What do you mean? You flew the entire time.
No, you had controls first. Oh. He didn't know what it was. It freaked him out. Come on, Bryce.
It was fun to
You can't touch it, right?
Yeah. Your butt's touching it. You did it.
No, I didn't. I missed it.
Too close. Okay, what is it?
I think they have another blue one.
All right, let's go check it out.
And I think it's a real because it looks like
Everything that's in there they're working with is real. Yeah, good luck outrunning that there, Bryce. Look, they're restoring, you said a Wildcat?
A Wildcat from World War II, yep.
That they pulled out of the Michigan.
Pulled out of Lake Michigan.
Lake Michigan, right?
You got it.
I'm going to try to put a picture in because they sent it, they gave us a little card. So they said that the people working on it will answer any questions you have. Everything is so nice. And you get to actually see them working on it. So you go into the workshop. So get ready. What is this? All right, cat fight over. Let's go. Oh, look, you guys can get up in this one.
Mm-hmm.
Turns.
One at a time.
One at a time. Hey, oldest first. Oldest first. Oldest first. Do you want to go home? What it's like to go on a trip with a 4-year-old. Do you want to go home? Okay, then wait your turn.
I just wanted to look at that.
Okay, you can get in now. Your brother got scared.
No, I just wanted to look in there.
Are you sure you're not scared it's going to go upside down? All right, there you go, kid.
Ooh, what is
Keep going.
Well, I mean, that would
All
be
right.
kind
Look
of
at you. You already know where to put your
unproductive
feet and
since
everything. Look at this kid. He's got this.
Little gun roll.
All right, Caspian. You're crazy. All right.
Can I get on? Oh, here, find the eject button.
Find the check button. Well, how's it feel?
Tight.
Tight.
Very tight.
Well, I got news for you. It wasn't supposed to be like a luxury plane.
I found the ejection button, but it's not
6'2" makes it a little harder.
Man, look at this. Bryce dared to get back in with me again.
I need a control.
Here, you come here and control.
Wait. I did not sign up for that.
White plane back there.
Background's cold. So we gotta go check that out. To get out. And also, there's the seatbelt on this.
I'll tell you guys a story. So Bryce was sitting here on this side and the throttle moves around a little bit. Like, I don't know if you can see it move around, but I told him it must have been a ghost of the person that used to fly the plane. And at the exact same time, okay, see, it moves around as Caspian moves his, like it just moves. But the pedals are connected. Well, Mike was over here, and as soon as I said that, he moved the pedals, which moved Bryce's. And Bryce got out of here. Bryce was like, I'm done. He thought it was coming to get him, and it was the greatest thing ever. Okay, Caspian, you ready to go see him restore the planes?
Yeah.
All right, tell him, say, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, that's cool. Do it from the front, Daddy.
The glare from the...
Oh, okay, hold on. I want one too. Here, climb up here. Ready?
Got it.
Okay. All right. Now push the button, Caspian.
Where?
In the front, underneath. Yeah, push the button. Push it. Hold on tight. Fly the plane.
What's up, Bryce? I'm trying to get it. We didn't get to see it because it wasn't ready for the plane. Wasn't ready for the plane. Yeah, they told us
Hey,
about
you
it.
can look right here. Just don't touch anything,
They
okay?
had that Blue Angel and all that while we were there. Take a look through here and see what
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Here, come here, Bobby. We can go look.
All right, come on. It's gonna take
Don't touch anything. Just look, okay?
Yeah, don't touch anything because they're working.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, well, it's a state of repair.
It's a
This
work
is
in
the engine
progress.
that came out of this airplane.
Oh,
look,
wow.
that's the
Okay.
engine, Bryce.
Oh.
That's how much was left out of it. Let's see how. Let's see.
Magnesium, man. Magnesium, the water just
Mommy,
corrodes.
can I go in through right?
Is that
It's
here?
got,
Okay.
Two.
How many? You say 4 years?
yeah.
Oh,
4
wow.
years just to rebuild the tail part of it.
Oh yeah, they had to, because there's no dies or fixtures from Douglas anymore.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, no,
You
yeah.
had to do this all by hand and from drawings we had.
Jeez, yeah.
So they went in there, those were all hand-riveted panels.
Now, was this
Oh, wow.
in the 40s? This one, this was
Wildcat, Roman Wildcat.
pulled down,
And the
man.
wings
Oh,
would
it's
rotate and then
awesome.
fold back along the fuselage.
Oh,
They could
wow.
store more airplanes on the air.
Oh, that makes sense.
Excuse me, but can we go up there? We saw some other people.
Sure, yeah. Come on around.
He's very excited.
He's very excited about
Yeah, I'm excited as well.
Oh,
You
wow,
are
look at
excited,
that,
aren't
Bryce.
you? Here, stay right here. I
that.
gotta tap the camera.
Bryce, look at all
Here,
that.
come here. Look over here,
Yeah,
buddy.
there's a lot there.
Yeah.
Where do we start?
Build, refashion all these panels. And then when they're ready, then
Stand
we'll
up.
take them off.
Stand up.
You can't even say they basically, I mean, they're doing this all by
Yeah, all by hand.
drawings and stuff. Well, because there's no,
I bet
you know,
this
Yeah.
would take at least like a year. Where do we have to start at?
Right here.
He said they've been working on that one part for 4 years.
Six and a half.
6.5, he said.
Six
Oh,
and a
wow,
half. So
that's
it's gonna take them.
crazy.
You gotta remember they're doing all this. They don't
Yeah.
have, you can't just like, oh, give me this part. You know, what I mean, you can't do that.
Well,
anymore.
like this
Lot-
front half right here, the belly part,
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
we've been working on that for about 4 months. On and off. Well, we get
Just a
pulled off
second.
and other
Right,
jobs
and do other
right
stuff.
now,
Right.
Right.
but that's still on Lake Michigan, someplace.
Someplace.
Yeah, it was
Somewhere,
on-
right?
yeah,
that's not
And
too
that's
much.
what- that's
That's a
what we
small
all-
area, right?
Yeah. Well, when they pull the plane up, it was still there, but that's
Yeah.
what we do. If they don't have it, he'll do it, or I'll just start. And a lot of it's just from pictures.
Yeah, that's what he said. You just gotta go because you
A lot of
can't.
it's
Yeah.
pictures, right?
Exactly.
Well, yeah.
Pictures, you got a few drawings that are not really very good.
I was gonna say they probably not very good drawing.
No,
Yeah.
no, the blueprints that Douglas kept, or Grumman kept
Yeah.
rather.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they're kind of
probably
sketchy.
wouldn't
Some are good and some are real bad.
Right.
This piece here was made
Look at this.
right behind here to
Look at that.
and they get it done.
Oh, wow. Oh, look over here, Bubby. Look at this side.
So that's how they do it.
And we got a number of tools here to take basically flat stock and curve it, shape
Oh, to
it.
make it shit. Yeah,
And
make
each
it
of these
shape.
parts have to be done
Taking them
individually.
up yet, or-
No, I'm just going up.
Oh, okay.
We've asked him like 1,000 questions.
Have a good trip.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
yourself.
Oh, yeah,
Enjoy it,
definitely.
guys.
They're loving it.
Oh, they love it.
I can't
All right,
wait
keep
to see
following him. You got to follow him.
it. All right, here you go.
Steph,
Be careful.
Going up, Cassidy.
Hold on tight.
You need help? You got it?
He says no.
Wow, look at that.
But there's sand on this.
There he is, yeah.
All these parts.
There.
Numbered and
we
stuff.
got a lot of controls in that. Handle right there is what raises, lowers the landing gear.
Slow down. Slow down.
The airplane didn't have, like airplanes now have hydraulic landing gear.
Yeah,
This
because
doesn't. This had all manual. It took 28 turns of the handle there to bring the gear up, 28 to bring it
oh,
down.
so the pilot
wow.
had to land. Okay,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah,
Now they
yeah.
just push a button and the planes are
Yeah,
made
they
better.
do. No, they don't push any buttons
Well,
on this. It's crank everything.
Yeah.
You got to make sure
Could
you
you
keep count
imagine
on
that?
that, Bryce.
Yeah, can
What
you
if you
imagine?
lost
You gotta
count?
Yeah.
You get off the end of
no.
that carrier and you're just getting airborne, and you got to switch hands, stick over to the left hand and crank the
right
gear
here.
up, then,
Think-
then switch
see
it back
that?
and raise the flaps.
And then where's the man? He had a lot of work.